Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to go and show you how to factory reset your PlayStation 5 using the safe mode menu. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. Now what we want to do is actually completely turn off our PlayStation 5. So there cannot be any lights over here, or it cannot be in rest mode. So I have my PlayStation 5 turned on. You can either go to the power options and turn off on PlayStation settings, or what we want to do is hold down the power button over here. We will hear one beep, and then about 3 seconds later we will hear another beep. And this will manually turn off our PlayStation, and there won't be any orange light or blue light over here. It'll be completely blanked. Now, go ahead and take a USB cable and plug it into your controller. So let's go ahead and just plug this in. And this will allow us to operate the safe mode menu. Then, once our PlayStation 5 is completely 100% turned off, not in rest mode, locate the power button once again, hold this down. We will hear one beep initially, and then about 5 to 10 seconds later, we will hear another beep. And this is an indication our PlayStation 5 is launching into the safe mode menu. Now, our controller is connected. I can see it charting. Press the PlayStation button on the controller, and it's going to switch from orange to teal, and we can use the D-pad now to operate the safe mode menu. Now scroll on down to option number 6, reset PlayStation 5. This will factory reset your PlayStation 5. It says, if you reset your PS5, all user and all data will be deleted from your PlayStation. Do you want to continue? Press yes. Now if we back out of here, we can also go to option number 7. Now if our PlayStation is completely messed up, where the operating system simply isn't working, we can go to PlayStation.com and use a USB drive and download the latest operating system to that USB drive, and then perform this reset option under this setting right here, and it will reinstall the system software. So this is a last resort option if your system software is messed up as well. So if this video did indeed help you out, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.